dear 4th class children. A very good morning to each and everyone. Welcome back to our social class. Children, as we completed the book 4. Note children, that is chapter 4. Now we are entering to the chapter 5, that is early humans. In the Zoom class already I explained and already you read about the early humans. Today I will show you some images. See, these are the images. Understood? So what you are thinking by seeing these images? What you are thinking by seeing these images? The first one is footsteps, then the paintings, and the third one is about pot. Okay, this is the images of the early humans. This is the images of the early humans. Okay, let's find out. Today we are going to learn about early humans and their lifestyle. Early humans and their lifestyle. Early humans and their lifestyle. Lifestyle is children, where they live, what they own, what they eat, everything will come under the lifestyle. Okay. Okay, now did you know? So see, this is the picture of what Bhimapetika caves. This is a picture of Bhimapetika caves. Understood? Okay, now I'll read for you. Listen carefully. How do we know about the life of early humans? Children, how we know about the life of early humans? We didn't see how they live. By seeing the pictures or by reading the books, we can know how early humans lived. The Bhimapetika caves, which were the shelters of early humans. So, the Bhimapetika caves are there in our country, which is the shelters means home for the early humans. Are more than 30,000 years old. So how many years old this Bhimapetika caves? 30,000 years old. These caves have paintings. So inside, when you enter into these caves, you can see the paintings on the walls of the caves that show how early humans lived. By seeing the paintings, we can know how early humans lived, what they wore and what they did in that period. Archaeologists have studied. Archaeologists means the persons who studied about the history have studied this painting and the paints used. So what they studied about these paintings and how the early humans used, what type of paints they used, they studied. In some caves, pots and the sharp stones have been found. In some caves, what they found? They found sharp stones and some pots they found. These findings help us understand how early humans lived by seeing the pots. See, like this, the small pots are given, the pots and the sharp things they find. By seeing that things, so we can imagine how early humans might have lived in that period. Okay, how they adapted to the environment and what they eat. By seeing this, or how they lived and what they ate, all this we can understood by seeing the things. An archaeologist is one who studies the people who lived hundreds and thousands of years ago with the help of the things found in the caves are deep under the ground. Here in the books, when you take the book, the meaning of the archaeologists are given, you can read. Understood, children? So the Bhimapetika caves are what? The rock shelters. They are called the rock shelters. Okay, I'll give some information to you. I'll write it on the board. Afterwards, you can copy in your classwork, otherwise in the rub book, and you should read what the rock shelters will teach us. Rock shelters. Okay, this is the rock shelters. So what is the these? What are these? So you are learning about the rock shelters. So what is the rock shelters? This is the caves, the rock shelters of caves of early humans. Caves of early humans. These rock shelters are caves of early humans. Then what are some objects found in them? So what objects? Objects means the things are found in these rock shelters. What are some objects? Objects means here children things. Object means things found in them. So found in these rock shelters. So what is the answer? Pots and sharp stones. So in the Zoom class we learn about the sharp stones, no, isn't it? So why they use the sharp stone to hunt the animals, the weapons of the early humans. Understood children? So what are some objects found in them means pots and sharp stones. The next one is who studies them to know about the past. So who will tell about the past history? Who will tell of the stones and all these? An archaeologist. The L-O-G-I-S-T, archaeologist. Okay, who will tell us about all this? And the archaeologist. Then, what do the rock shelters and objects found in them inform us? So, what will they tell about? So, what do the rock shelters and objects? Objects means what here? Things. Object means things. Found in them inform us. Found in them inform us. So inform means what? They are telling about what is there. So the first one is how old these caves are. How old these caves are. How old these caves are. And the next one is how early humans lived. How early humans lived. How early humans lived. And what early humans ate. What early humans ate. Ate means understood, no? Okay, these are about the rock shelters. Okay, children, see what the rock shelters will tell us. They will tell us what are these caves. These caves are the early human caves. The early human used to live in these rock shelters. Okay, then what are some objects found in them? So what objects, what are the things are found in the rock shelters? So pots and the sharp stones. Pots and the sharp stones. And who studied them to know about the past, children? Who studied? So who is giving information to us? The archaeologist. Understood? Then what do the rock shelters and the things found in them inform us? So what they are teaching us? So when you see the rock shelters, so what the rock shelters are teaching to us? So what they are teaching us means how old the caves are. So then how early humans lived and what early humans ate. Understood? These are about the rock shelters. So rock shelters, when we find that Bhimapetaka caves in our country, so by seeing the Bhimapetaka caves, then the archaeologists find out so how the early humans lived by seeing the objects, that is the pots and the sharp stones, and by seeing the paintings how the early humans lived. Okay children, I hope you understand about early humans. In the next class, we will learn about how early humans look, then what they will wear and everything in the next class. Okay children, okay, we meet in the next class.